Hello everyone! Welcome to Use the Wings engine. This tutorial mainly introduces how to set conditional styles. I mentioned it in the previous data conditioning tutorial. In the Wings engine, we can change the style of components. To change the style of the component, including color, shape, size, position, animation, and display and hide, etc. To reflect the data's status and changes, next. Let's demonstrate the specific setting process. Let's open the example project. Data Conditioning Tutorials Example Project. In this project, we set some data conditions and then set conditional styles for these two images and the text components of the title with conditional styles. Let's first look at this image component. In the Write Style window, you can set various style parameters of the component. Each of these parameters can be set with conditional styles. Move the mouse to a certain parameter. You can see 3 dots here, which represents extended settings. After clicking, we can see the Extended Settings menu. The first one is the conditional style. After clicking on the conditional style, we can see the settings window for conditional styles. Here we click the Add Condition button and select a data condition. Sets the parameter value after the condition is met. We can add multiple data conditions. Different data conditions are in an or relationship. Finally, we need to set a parameter value. The parameter value when all conditions are not met. If we want to set conditions that are satisfied simultaneously, condition styles for multiple data conditions, we can set a corresponding condition. Set a corresponding condition instead of setting it here. If a parameter has a condition style set, the parameter will show enabled condition styles. Click on this prompt message too, and directly open the corresponding condition settings window. In case of anomaly, this image will become an alarm image. So we also need to set a condition style. Sets a condition style for image replacement. In the image address, we set the image to be the alarm image, image to be the alarm image. Otherwise, it will be the fan blade picture. This image component uses a rotation animation to show whether the machine is on or off. So we also set the condition style, the animation for conditional style settings. Here, we set to play the animation when the boot condition is met. After Settings, click Finish to save the settings. To save the settings, if you click Cancel, the settings will not be saved. Everyone should pay special attention. In this way, we have completed the conditional style settings of the image component. Let's take a look at the title again. Here, we use color changes to reflect it. At least one machine has an abnormality, so we set the font. Parameters, we added conditional styles. Set it to be red when the condition is met. The font color is red. Otherwise, it's white. From the demonstration just now, we can see that different components have different parameters, can set different conditional styles, but the setting method is the same. In the previous data filtering tutorial, we introduced that combining data conditions and data filtering, we can improve the efficiency of conditional style settings if there are multiple same components in the project. We generally recommend setting the conditioning style of the first component and then copy it to other components and then modify it. But if we don't use data conditions and data filtering we still need to repeat the settings of the condition style. Like in this project. Even if we set the conditioning style of the first machine and then copy it to the second machine, we still need to modify its conditional style settings because the data conditions here need to be reselected. The more complex the conditioning style is, the more work is required to repeat the settings. But after adjustment, in this project, in the conditioning style of each machine, the data conditions are the same. So there is no need to reset it after copying. We only need to modify the data filtering conditions, which will reduce the workload a lot. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.